Turn it this way a little bit. Turn it this way a little bit. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel 2018, and I'm just uploading my first video. Sorry about that. I've been away and I traveled, and Wi-Fi wasn't really friendly where I was at, but I had a great time where I was. I'm rejuvenated and I feel refreshed, and I'm back now. And I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update because I don't go for a long period of time like this, but it was unexpected, but it was amazing. And I just wanted to say welcome. I should say welcome back. We're on to the second month now, but anyways, happy new year. I hope you guys are, you know, going strong with your new year, happy and motivated, and you know, ready to take on to 2018 for yourselves, you know, for your lives and stuff like that. I feel the same way. And I just wanted to kind of share with you guys this eye look that I did. Valentine's Day is coming up and everything, so it's kind of like an inspiration, a look that you guys can wear for more than just one event, you know what I mean? Yeah, I did this look and I kind of wanted to be a little bit more chit-chatty than, you know, just saying apply this and then after this do this, that. I wanted to talk to you guys and you know, have a couple of things to say. And this intro is getting too long, so I'm just gonna stop here and yeah, let's just go into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm trying this method where I do my eye area first versus starting from my face and then doing my eyeshadow and stuff like that, because I feel like it starts to kind of get cracky on my smile line, and you know, I'll get wrinkly and stuff faster when I do the face first. So I'm trying this method first where I do my eyes, well, eyebrow first and then my eyes, and then I go on from that. To prime my eyes, I'm using Toffee by LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer and just applying a little bit of that. I'm gonna bring it all the way to carve out my eyebrow and stuff like that. I'm applying quite a bit more than I want to, but I'm not squeezing, I'm just using the brush to kind of, you know, lay the product down and just blend the product into my skin to kind of give it that smooth surface. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to film this, but I did this side, so I kind of like how it turned out. Alright, so for all my eyeshadows today, I'm going to be using the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start out by using Kissy to set my eyelids, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used earlier. Next, I'm going to go with Kezia, which is right here. And I'm using the E300 brush by Mikasa. And I'm going to start applying it starting from the outer corner, because that's where I want most of the concentration of the product to be. And then I'm just going to drag it out to the inner corner. So how's year 2018 going so far, guys? I know we're into the second month already, which is kind of like whoosh, time is going so fast. But I wonder how you guys are doing. I'm doing pretty good. I've been away for quite some time, but I was traveling. So I'm kind of letting you guys know, just so you guys don't think I abandoned my channel and just left without no notification. So I kind of did, didn't I? But I'm back. Sorry about that though, guys. I'm going to use a larger blending brush. This is from Amazon. And going with Koji. I'm going to use one side of the brush, taking a little bit and blending the edges because I don't want to leave them like this. So as I was saying, I am back now, but I feel like I want to start opening up to you guys, you know, showing you guys a little bit of my life type of thing. That's what I'm thinking. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm thinking, guys. What do you guys think? I'd love to know your thoughts. Like, most of you guys don't really know who I am, just watch my tutorials maybe, or watch, like, you guys watch like my DIY videos and stuff like that. But there's more to me than that, you know. So I was thinking maybe I should start opening up a little bit, but it is still in the thought stage. But I'm thinking a lot about it, you know what I mean? So I'd love to know your thoughts. And what would you guys want to know about me anyway? You know? Leave your comments in the comment section down below and let me know. I mean, I kind of did like a little bit of videos about me here and there, but there's definitely a lot more to me than that, you know what I mean? And of course you grow, and there's growth that happens, there's life changes that happens and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. For my eyebrows, actually what I used is a DIY eyebrow pomade that I did that was really easy to make. Actually, I will link the video for you guys if you guys are interested. It's been quite some time since I've been using this, and honestly it works. And every now and then I don't use it, but I always come back to it to use it. Alright, next I'm going to take my MAC Select Cover Up and carve out my cut crease.
This material world of things that fade away. Let me keep coming back, 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 keep coming back.
So once I get to this point, I'm gonna take Cuba. I'm gonna take Zuba, not Cuba. Try not to look up and down just so I don't create a crease, but it's kind of hard to do that. I'm taking a flat brush, something like this, and just press it on like so. I didn't add no Fix Plus or anything like that to kind of make it wet. It already is by itself. So pigmented. Alright, once I get to this point, I'm gonna go back with Kezia using the same brush that I used. And I probably would like to kind of go with a smaller brush than this, but this is okay to use again. We're kind of going back and forth. But one trick that I learned from Nikki Tutorials, which is actually an amazing trick, is to kind of go with some other color and then just apply it right here and then just blend it. So I'm gonna wipe the excess off that flat brush that I used, and then I'm gonna go with Koji. This one is a matte eyeshadow, and then just blend these two in. I'm gonna be applying my mascara. I'm trying this new well, it's not new. Nothing that I try is pretty much new, you know. Well, compared to the way new products are coming out and stuff like that, it feels like nothing that I've tried is really new at the time when I try it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybeline. I wonder if you guys feel like that. Do you guys feel like that? Like things are coming out at a rate of like, I don't know, 1,000? Like new products are coming out every day, it feels like. Oh, where did I put the bottom mascara? Ooh, because I haven't done my face. But that's what happens when it's a habit, you know what I mean? Alright guys, just so I don't want this video to be like too long, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and come back, fix this part too. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bottom eyelids now. So for that, I'm just gonna take a combination of Zakia and Koji, and use a smaller blending brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. While I was filming this, I'm watching Jamie and Nikki. I wonder how many of you guys watch them and love their vlogs. I haven't been watching them for like the past 2 months or something, so I'm kind of keeping up. They're just so like my type of people, you know what I mean? There's people out there that you can relate to, you know what I mean? It's kind of nice. For my eyes, I got this, well, I was given this eyelash inside one of the unboxing that I did. I bought the stuff, but it came in the box anyway when I got a shoes from Just Fab. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to put that off camera. I hope you guys don't mind, just because it takes me a while. Alright, so I put on the eyelashes. They seem pretty like soft and natural looking. Anyways, moving on to my lips, I think I'm just going to do something simple. Alright, so I'm going to take Spice by Anabelle Cosmetics. This is, I guess if you live in Canada, but there's plenty of lip liners that look like this. So I'm just going to put that on and then add a little bit of gloss on top of it. And this is Finders Keepers by ColourPop Cosmetics. And that's pretty much how the whole look turned out. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, don't forget to comment down below and also give me a thumbs up. You know, helps me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we're done, guys. We're done.